Bulk loading is a process whereby one can load large amounts of data into a database in a relatively short period of time. Python help in bulk load to Snowflake. Let us check how we can do that. In this section, we are establishing the connection with the dataset and also with Snowflake. So we are importing pandas and Snowflake connector. Post connection, we shall be inserting the data into the table in Snowflake. So for that, first of all, we need to use the data warehouse. So in this case, we are having test.wh as a data warehouse, and then we are going to use the test underscore db, that is our database. And after that, once this connectivity is established, then we can insert the data into the table. So that will be a bulk load. If suppose we want to see whether the record has been inserted in the table or not, so we don't have to go to Snowflake for checking the same. So from Python only we can see this thing. So with the help of the object of the cursor, we can execute a new statement, and that is selecting from the particular table where we have inserted the information. So we can commit this execution and then we can see the record with the help of the cursor.